Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make rolled lasagna. First, gather your ingredients: lasagna noodles, ricotta cheese, marinara sauce, and your choice of fillings like spinach or ground meat. Ensure your noodles are cooked al dente and ready for rolling. This preparation sets the stage for a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. Next, let's prepare the creamy ricotta filling. In a bowl, mix ricotta cheese with 1 egg, a quarter cup of grated Parmesan, and a pinch of salt and pepper. If using, fold in about 1 cup of cooked and squeezed dry spinach, or 1/2 cup of brown ground meat. This mixture forms the heart of your rolled lasagna, providing a rich and savory center. Now for the fun part, assembling your rolls. Lay a cooked lasagna noodle flat. Spread about 2 tablespoons of your prepared filling evenly over the entire surface of the noodle. Starting from one short end, carefully roll the noodle up tightly. Place each rolled noodle seam side down into a baking dish coated with a thin layer of marinara sauce. This technique keeps them neat. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious rolled lasagna. Pour your favorite marinara sauce over the rolls, ensuring they are well covered. Sprinkle generously with mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes, or until bubbly and golden. Let it rest for 10 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.